arresting Arnab. Police should have avoided an arrest that could be seen as politically motivated. So it says that the police have actually arrested Arnab Goswami, a TV anchor, recently. So about that, the author says that before the police make such an arrest, they should make sure that there won't be any political fights or anything. The arrest of Arnab Goswami, editor-in-chief of Republic Media Network, is without doubt a highly handed action that may contain an element of vendetta. So it says that as they have recently arrested the TV anchor Arnab Goswami, the main reason why the police did so may be because they wanted revenge against Arnab Goswami. But for what did they need the revenge? We will find out now. There was really no reason to arrest Mr. Goswami or other citizen for that matter in case that has been reopened after being formally closed by the competent court in 2019. So what actually happened is that this case was filed by someone by someone years ago in 2019. So that case was actually closed by the competent of the court, and now the police again opened it. A case which is closed does a close which is a case which is closed, it does not need to be opened until we have some sound evidence. This is not only in the case of Mr. Arnab Goswami. This may be in the case of anyone, but a closer case may not be. It may not be opened again until we have some sound evidence. It might be true that the police then may have under political influence and unlawfully had abetted the suicide. Have closed a complaint that Mr. Goswami and two others had abated the suicide of Anwar Naik, an interior designer, in May 2019, and that there may be sufficient cause for it to be investigated afresh. So the reason why the case was filed against Mr. Arnab Goswami in 2019 is that the police then actually thought that something which Arnab Goswami has said in his news and two other members of his, because of their matter, the police thought that an interior designer had suicided because of their vulgar language, and also in May 2000, and he committed suicide in May 2018. This interior designer's suicide, the police thought that this suicide may be related to Arnab Goswami, and because of that they arrested him. Now it would be very reasonable to think that the police closed the case when after they opened it because they may have been bribed, or some political unlaw would have taken place there. Given the presence of the incriminating suicide note, there may be some substance in allegation. So, if we keep away the note which is written if we keep away the suicide note which is written by the interior designer, we still need some sound evidence to prove that Mr. Arnab Goswami had something to do with that suicide. However, there is no reason to arrest anyone unless they are likely to await trial, threaten witnesses, or destroy evidence. Now, Mr. Arnab Goswami, he did not try to destroy any evidence. He also accepted to attend the trials in the courts, and he did not deny anything, and he followed everything. Now, there is no reason to think that he is the one who led to the suicide of that interior designer. It would have been more appropriate if the police had investigated the matter thoroughly and filed a charge sheet in a court of law if there was sufficient evidence to believe that the conduct of the accused had driven the victim to suicide. So, as I said, police need more sound evidence to do what they just did. So they should have gone through investigation thoroughly, and they should have brought some sound evidence, and then they can say that because of Arnab Goswami he had attempted suicide. The transactions and agreements involved and the testimony of the family may have been enough to seek conviction from under Section 306 of the IPC, which which essentially requires sound evidence of acts that directly or indirectly incited victims to take their own lives. Um, under the section 306 of the IPC, it is actually said that if the family or the parents of a person who attempted suicide or who died, if they say something against someone, it says that section says that he can be arrested on their note. But at the same time, it also says that it also says that including their proof, they should also be another evidence which is collected by the police against him. Claims by almost all union ministers that Mr. Goswami's arrest bespeaks an attempt to throttle the media, however, have no substance, as it is obviously a case unrelated to his work as a television anchor. So now most of the union ministers say that if Arnab Goswami is arrested, that makes a lot of quarrels. That makes a lot of political quarrels. And someone who and the reason why police did this is because to create disturbance in the media. At the same time, the manner in which a matter can be reopened and the accuser arrested might have a chilling effect on the other journals with better credentials than Mr. Goswami. Now, when this happened to Mr. Arnab Goswami, who is very well credentialed, there are some journalists who are more credentialed than Mr. Arnab Goswami. So now they might have so much fear that they have so much they will be having so much fear at the situation, because they knew what happened to him, and from now on they will be taking precautions on what to do and what not to do. There is no love lost between him and the police in Maharashtra, possibly due to the impression that himself has given about where his loyalty lies. Now, as the police arrested him, the Mr. Arnab Goswami has no kind of hate or a grudge against the police. He says that I should be loyal. He says that I should be loyal to the police. It is conceivable that his arrest may be unsavory extension of the continuing acrimony between Shiv Sena and the BJP. Now, the police did this from the side of Shiv Sena, because there have been many fights between Mr. Arnab Goswami and Shiv Sena. So it is impossible. It is a good reason to think that this happened because of Shiv Sena. He already has pending FIRs against him for allegedly making inflammatory remarks on air. He is an outspoken critic of the Maharashtra government. Now, he already had many FIRs against him, which are given by many people because of the words or the information which is said about those people on air or air, which means on channels, on news channels. So these information which he told, or these words which he expressed, these might have raised some anger in some people. So because of that, he might be arrested. That's one possibility. He is an outspoken critic of the Maharashtra government. Besides running down the police in connection with the Sushant Singh Rajput death probe, he has been taunting the Mumbai Police Commissioner ever since his channels came under investigation for allegedly fixing TRPs. Now, Mr. Goswami, he has been helping the probe which has the probe which had to find out the reason for Sushant Singh's death. It might be a suicide, or it might be a murder. So in that probe, even he helped, and not only that, he has also told some information against the Mumbai police which enraged the police. So this even might be another reason why the police arrested him. In this backdrop, the onus was on the state and the police to avoid the impression of resorting to a vendetta. So, if we consider all this, it might be possible to think that for revenge, the state, because of the politics, and also the police, as they have a grudge against Mr. Goswami, it may be very logical to think that they have wantonly planned this. Mr. Goswami, as part of his nightly fulminations against assorted enemies of the state, is known to demand the arrest of anyone he denounces, including many who may be innocent, and has been accused of hate mongering in the name of journalism. So, some people say that what Mr. Arnab Goswami does on his channels or on air is not correct, and they say that it is hate mongering. Hence, it increases the grudge against him in people who watch it. He does all this. He does all this which is actually illegal, and with the name of journalism, which is actually legal. So they're saying that Mr. Goswami is doing something which he should not do by using the post a journalist. If if pre-trial errors are not necessary, they should be avoided, especially if they could be seen as politically motivated. So now the author basically says that um, if a case like this comes up to front, what the police should do is that they should collect sound evidence, and even then when they collect it, they should see that there will be no political disturbance if they make that arrest. But in sometimes they must make the arrest. Thank you.